Hey guys, welcome to Techers tutorial. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to create a logo by using AI. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So in today's video, we have something exciting for you. So we have something in here, which is a free logo maker, which will gonna help us make a logo for your own brand. So this is by using Designhill AI logo creator. So to head onto this website, you'll just need to head onto your local browser in there, try to search Designhill in there, and then you should be able to see onto their tools, the logo maker. So this is the page wherein you'll get redirected to. So as you can see in here, we could create your logo, and to see how it works, there is a how it works button in here. So there are also customers review in here, and as you can see, it has a 4.97 over 5 average from 39,994 ratings. So this is rated 4.9 out of 5 based on 3,260 reviews. That is by Trustpilot. So this is more like an example of the logo that we're going to do today. So this is an example of a coffee shop logo, and we'll try to create something like this as well for our own brand. Now, as you can see here onto their page, there is a step-by-step guide onto how to create a logo. So before we head onto the main thing in here, or the main actual actions on how to create a logo, there is a step-by-step guide that we could refer to. So we'll need to follow the steps to create our own logo. So we're gonna start with your business name. So enter your brand name to get started with Designhill's free logo maker. So you could explore hundreds of logos with your business name, customize the one that catches your attention. So if you notice here onto the first part, there's enter your company name. So that is the first part that we need to do. Now the next step for that one is to choose logo styles and templates. So there are a lot of styles and templates that Designhill has offered. So these are like pre-built library of styles and templates to make your own logo. So once you pick out a style, it becomes easier to customize your brand logo. So just need to choose in there the right logo icon, font, and color to move ahead. For the next step is to generate AI logos. So once you've chosen your templates, fonts, colors, and icons, you could use the DIY tool to make hundreds of unique logos for your business. So you always have the flexibility to bespoke it or generate logos from the start. Fourth step is all about choosing your favorite logo and customizing it. So the free logo builder tool also has an online editor to personalize it. You could tweak in some elements, change the font, adjust the color gradient, add a shape, or modify the layout using the logo editor. So there are no design skills required to do so. And on to our final step in here, or the fifth step, is downloading your logo. So once you're already satisfied with the result, you'll just need to select the right package and download the logo. You could choose a relevant file format based on your needs and the package, and you could start growing your business by using it across all your marketing channels. So that is just the 5 steps that we need to do, and we're gonna go over onto these 5 steps in there step by step later on. And as you can see in here, before we head on to that, these are actually more like the examples of the templates that are tailored to your business needs. So as you can see, we have this Nexus Hub, something like this, like burgers, or something like plants in here, landscaping, bicycles, and microphone, or singing, or anything in here. So you could click onto view more templates to view more options, so that you could just spark some inspiration, or you could gather some details or information or designs that you could copy out or try to recreate. So as you can see, this Designhill or logo maker is actually featured in Forbes and many more in here. So as you can see, these are the different things, and you could shape your brand identity with the online logo editor that we've mentioned earlier. So as you can see in here, it also has business ideas to boost sales. And what do you get with the AI logo maker? So here are the things: unlimited logo ideas, high resolution vector and PNG logo files, print ready designs, full ownership, brand guideline, 24/7 customer support, color variation, 100% customizable, and you could save time and money for that. So as you can see, here are some of the different details as well, and some of the reviews of the happy customers that has used Designhill to create their own logo. So there are also the frequently asked questions here onto the bottom part, and some logo ideas and inspiration. And you could also see who made this. You could also rate this by liking it, clicking onto the view option, or how many have viewed this, and adding a comment for that one. So if you want to get more ideas and inspiration, just click onto this button, and you could get inspired with these helpful resources as well, so that you could go ahead and try to make the most onto creating your logo by Designhill. Designhill. Now, for us to be able to get started in here, we're going to go ahead and try to start in by adding our company name. So we could just add it in here, my company, or you could create your company name in here. Click onto this arrow right after that, and then we're gonna get redirected onto this page wherein it asks us to pick 5 or more designs that you like so that they could go ahead and try to create the dashboard that is suited for you. So I kind of like how this one turned out. This one. Also, this one, since I kind of like something that is a minimalist or something like that. This one as well. So we have 3 already, this one for it, and we could choose this one for a fifth style. So we're gonna click on to continue right after, and then we could pick colors. So we need to select 3 colors that you like your designer to explore. So I like black. We could also use this one so that, or magenta, since I like magenta and cyan for that one. Or we could have this brown. So right after, we're gonna click on to continue. So the next step in here is gonna go ahead and fill out the details for the company name and slogan below. So if you don't have a slogan right now, we could leave it at blank. Since this is just optional, we could select the industry that we're currently trying to do for. So for example, we're trying to create something more like for a pet shop, a logo for a pet shop. So we're gonna choose animal and pet in here, the budget for that. So since we're actually trying to do this for free, we're gonna go ahead and opt for $0. And what is your company size? So since we're just working individually in here, but you could choose other options as well in here, like 10 to 20, 20 to 50, or other. So we're just gonna leave it to 0.20. And then right after, we're gonna click on to continue. Now we need to add up to 5 symbols that you'd like your logo to include. So for example, we want to add in here dog, bone, and then right after we could also add in sun, and then dog house, and then we could also add in tree. Then right after, we're gonna go ahead and try to click on to continue for that, and then we should be able to get redirected onto the next step. Now, right after, it's time to select a logo which you would like to edit or purchase. So there are a lot of options to choose from in here. So since our name is my company, we could also try to change it in here, like my pet shop or dog shop. So we could go ahead and add in my dog shop in here, and then you should be able to see the different things in here. So as you can see, we have these options in here. We could also choose in the colors that we want. So I've accidentally removed that. We're gonna go ahead and try to add it back. So you'll remove this. I think I want something that is almost the same for the colors so that it would match. So I kind of like that one turn out. And then here are some of this. I kind of like how this one. And let's gonna go ahead and try to click onto the changes. So I kind of like this. We're gonna go ahead and click onto that, and you need to log in to get that design. And now since I have logged in, I've got redirected onto this page in here wherein we could go ahead and try to change more things onto our logo design. So as you can see, here are the different options in here. So we need to tweak that one first. And then right after, you could also update it to this. These are the different designs that we have. So I kind of like this one. So we could update it to this one so that this is our main design already. We could change in the different informations in here by clicking onto the name, the slogan. You could add in a slogan as well. So we also have the symbol, the monogram, inner container, outer container, the background, the palette. So the layout. So this is the layout options we're currently in right now. And then if you want more ideas, you could click onto this. You could also see your history, save logos, and the favorite logos that you have onto your device. So as you can see, here are some of the included in the logo package if you'll purchase it. So you can make changes and re-download high resolution, lifetime phone support, full ownership, vector EPS, and SVG files, transparent background, black and white versions, font name, colors, and print ready. So right after that, the last step is we're gonna go ahead and try to save this onto your device. So you could go ahead and also share this by clicking on to share so that you could go ahead and share this to your Facebook, your Twitter, and to your Gmail. And that's just basically it on to creating a logo by using AI or Designhill. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to your next video.